Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my channel. Friends, we will continue discussing the rearrangement reactions. Today we will going to discuss one more important reaction, and that is a Pomerer rearrangement reaction. In this type of reaction or rearrangement, the molecules like alkyl sulfoxide, which having alpha hydrogen atom, they are converted into sulfides, that is a derivative of sulfides, that is a alpha acyloxythioether, by using the acetic anhydride. Now here this is a sulfoxide group, okay, and to this sulfoxide group or this to this sulfur alpha carbon is there, okay. To that alpha carbon, so these are two hydrogens are there, so they are called as alpha hydrogens, okay. Now this uh, acetic anhydride, okay, the one of the acetate group is replaced by one alpha hydrogen atom, okay. So we will get such a type of alpha acyloxythioether. Now here, now this is a sulfide group, okay, and this is alpha. To this alpha carbon atom, this acetate group is there, that's why the name the alpha acyloxythioether, okay. Now the reaction can be activated by using HCl, acyclic anhydrides, okay, and Bronsted acids or Lewis acids, okay. Now Bronsted acids or Lewis acids such as paratoluene sulfonic acid, zinc iodide. Now this trimethylsilyl trifluoromethane sulfate, then diethyl amino sulfur trifluoride, and trimethylsilyl halide. So these are also used to activate this reaction. Apart from this, okay, in the Pomerer rearrangement can also be undergo thermal conditions, okay, without any promoter. So this type of rearrangement also carried out under thermal condition without any promoter. Now we will see the mechanism. How in mechanism we will see how the alkyl sulfoxide is converted into sulfides through different steps. Now this is sulfoxide, okay. Now the sulfoxide is having the resonating structure like this, okay. The one of the pi bond between the sulfur and oxygen, they migrate towards the oxygen atom, and oxygen having the negative charge, okay. So such a type of resonating structure we will have, okay. Now the negatively charged on oxygen, they will attack on one of the carbonyl carbon of acetic anhydride group, okay. So this negatively charged oxygen, they attack nucleophilic attack takes place on this carbonyl carbon, which is a electron deficient, okay. Now the one of the pi bond is converted into or migrate towards oxygen to have the negative charge on it, okay. So such a type of intermediate we will get after the nucleophilic addition of this resonating structure. Now after obtaining this intermediate, again the negative charge on oxygen atom, came back to its original place, okay. They come back to original place, and this acetate group is removed, okay, because this acetate group is a very good living group. So when the negative charge came back to its or migrate to its original place, the this acetate group is given out, okay. Then such type of intermediate is obtained, okay. Now again, in the next step, In the next step, the obtained intermediate will in obtained intermediate we will have the alpha carbon. Okay, to that alpha carbon, two hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, so the alpha hydrogens are there. So one of the acetate group, okay, in the reaction mixture, they abstract one of a proton alpha hydrogen atom by giving the bonded pair of electron to form the pi bond between carbon and sulfur. Okay, in the same time, while migrating this pair of electron bonded pair of electron to between these two atoms, the sulfur and oxygen bond breaks. Okay, and the bonded pair of electrons of sulfur and oxygen will migrate on a oxygen atom, and acetate group is given out. Okay, so acetate group is removed from the intermediate. Okay, and such type of thionium intermediate is formed. Okay, so by abstracting this proton, also the acetic acid is given out. Okay, acetic acid also given out, or the pi bond between sulfur and oxygen, they migrate towards sulfur, and that positively charged sulfur is stabilized. Okay, by forming such a type of carbocation. Okay, now this carbocation is undergo attack by the acetate group. Okay, now this acetate group is attack on this carbocation to form the alpha acyloxy thioether. So this is a overall mechanism of a Pomeroy rearrangement reaction. Okay, we will see again. Sulfoxide have the resonating structure. Okay, uh, that resonating structure, the negative charged oxygen atom attack on one of the carbon of the acetic anhydride to give such type of intermediate. Okay, after rearranging, the elimination of acetate group takes place. Okay, by migrating the that negative charge on oxygen atom back to its original place, and such a type of intermediate is obtained. After that, the one of the alpha proton or alpha hydrogen is abstracted by the acetate group. Okay, by uh, by migrating the lone pair of by migrating the bond pair of electron between oxygen and alpha carbon and sulfur. Okay, to form the double bond, and at the same time the departure of acetate group is takes place. Okay, now in this step the acetic acid is given out as a side product. Okay, now this thionium ion formed. Okay, it have its resonance structure like this, that is in the form of a carbocation, which is attacked by the acetate group. Okay, nucleophilic attack takes place on a electron deficient carbon. Okay, and to give the alpha acyloxy thioether. Okay, so so this is all about the mechanism of a Pomeroy rearrangement reaction. I hope you understand the reaction as well as the mechanism. Okay, if you have any problem or doubt, please give your comments in a comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this content, please share and like the video. Thank you.